Installing backup systems does not have to be difficult. First, decide if you want to do it yourself or call a professional. Many homeowners prefer to handle small installations on their own if they have a basic electrical knowledge. If you are unsure about any part of the process, though, it is wise to get help from someone with experience. The first step in choosing a residential standby backup system is identifying which appliances and systems are essential during power outages. Prioritizing critical needs such as HVAC systems, refrigerators, freezers, medical equipment, and sump pumps and/or security systems. It introduces the concept of categorizing appliances to prioritizing them in tiers, critical needs versus convenience items, to help focus on what truly matters during an emergency. By narrowing down essential devices, you can ensure the backup system is appropriately sized and cost-effective. Once the critical appliances are identified, the next step is calculating the total power requirements to size the backup system. This involves determining the running watts for each appliance, accounting for startup watts for motor-driven devices like air conditioners, and then finally adding a 20% safety margin to ensure reliability. Here's a practical example. A 3-ton air conditioning unit, 11 kilowatts running, plus a fridge, 700 watts, plus lights, 500 watts. The total is equal to 11,000 watts plus 700 watts plus 500 watts for a total of 12.2 kilowatts. With a safety margin, we take 12.2 kilowatts times 1.2 is equal to 14.64 kilowatts. And this is the system that you'll require to ensure a selection of the system that meets their power requirements without overloading or undersizing. The final step involves choosing the type of backup system that best suits the homeowner's needs. Common options include propane generators, natural gas generators, battery-based systems, BESS, and/or solar plus battery setups. Their pros and cons are listed here. The pros include long shelf life, cleaner fuel, pipeline fed, low maintenance, instant response, and whether it's quiet or a loud system, renewable, low emissions. And the cons would include complex mechanics, tank space, vulnerability to the supply outage, limited duration, high cost, weather-dependent storage limits. Key considerations would include fuel availability, runtime requirements, installation and maintenance costs. This comparison table will help weigh factors like reliability, environmental impact, and cost effectiveness to make an informed decision tailored to specific circumstances. There are also many online stores where you can check prices and read reviews. In this video and future videos, I will be featuring selected suppliers that, in my opinion, are out in front as far as features, portability, compatibility, and capacity. I will be providing links to these suppliers, which will give you the latest information and at times deep discounts. This will help you make informed decisions. One such power backup supplier is Bluetti, which at the present time is running huge discount sales. In order to take advantage of these sales and find out more about what Bluetti is all about and has to offer, simply go to this web address.